Now that we understand the basic working principles of the Anubis, let's take a look at how to add and configure new sources. Now that we have our surround speaker sets configured, let's configure some surround sources to use with this. So it works in much the same way. You simply do a long press on the home button, click on settings, and then we'll click on sources. So we're going to create a new source. So we'll click on it to configure it, and we'll call this, let's say DAW. We'll scroll down until we see what we want. Let's say DAW 5.1. And the type is, again, going to be Dolby 5.1. And then we have our patching. Now we'll go back to ANEMAN, and we'll say that from our output, from 1 through 6, we're going to connect to DAW 1 through 6, and we can hit Apply Multicast. We can look here again and see our new connections made. But we can create as many new sources as we'd like, so we can hit Create New Source, and let's say that we have a video editing machine. So let's call this Video, and we'll make our type stereo. And it says we have no patching. So let's say the outputs for our video system come from 9 and 10. And we just connect and hit Apply Multicast. And now you'll see the patching is active. So you can create as complicated or as simple of a system as you'd like. If there turns to be too many things on the screen, we can go back into Settings and go to Sources, and we can disable the ones that we're not using. So let's say we're not going to use mic line 1 and 2, we're not going to use 3, we're not going to use this audio stream, we're going to use the stream that we made, and we're going to use video. Okay, so then we can go into monitors and say we're going to use all of these, so we'll just leave all of them there. So now it's a little bit more concise. We have the stereo output from Pro Tools with DAW 1 and 2. We have Dolby 5.1 output, and we have our video output source. And we can switch between them or sum them however we like here.